Sanya, a 13-year-old teenage girl studying in class 8 who loves to explore new things. Mummy. Sanya's mother, a 40-year-old lady who lives in the city. She helps Sanya in exploring new things. Kabir, Sanya's elder brother, a 14-year-old boy studying in class 9 who helps Sanya in all her explorations. We learned what is force? How does it work? Properties of force. Force applied in same direction adds up. One force can be more, less, or equal to the other force. Force when applied on an object can change its speed, change its shape, change the direction of its motion. Types of force: contact force, non-contact force. Contact force, muscular force, frictional force. Non-contact force, gravitational force, static electric force, magnetic force.
Mummy, what are you doing?
Beta, I'm replacing these thin strap handles of my bag with the broader straps.
But why, Mummy? Aren't these thin handles strong enough?
Oh, these are strong, Beta, but when I hang my bag, these thin handles hurt my shoulders. If these are broad, the bag will exert lesser pressure on my shoulders and hurt less.
But the bag will still have the same weight. And so the pressure on the shoulders will also be the same. Then how will replacing these straps help?
Come, let me show you. Sanya, look at this wooden plank. Now you can keep these 5 bricks in a line on this plank.
Like this, Mummy?
Yes, Sanya. Can you see any impact of these bricks on the wooden plank?
No, it looks the same as before.
Okay, so now keep these bricks one over the other and see what happens.
Mummy, this wooden plank has bent down from the middle.
Yes, that's right, Sanya. In both the instances, weight was the same. Then why was the impact visible only when the bricks were kept one over the other? Why do you think that happened? Sanya, do you think the impact of force also depends on the area on which it is exerted?
Bhaiya, when the bricks were kept on a larger area, the impact of the force was less. But when these bricks were kept one over the other, the force was only on a smaller area. And the force exerted on this small area on the wooden plank made it bend. Friends, so does that mean that when area on which force is exerted is less, the impact of force will be more?
You are right. This is called pressure.
Oh, so that's why Mummy was replacing thin straps of her bag with wider straps so that there is lesser pressure on her shoulders. That's the reason why even our school bags have wider straps.
Yes. Do you remember how farmers in Chachaji's village keep a twisted cloth over their head for carrying heavy things? It's done to increase the area of contact between the body and the weight.
And so that the pressure on their body gets reduced. Now I understand, Bhaiya. This helps them carry heavy things easily.
Yes, now you must have understood why tools for cutting and making holes like knife and nails are always sharp and pointed.
Yes, now I have understood. Friends, can you tell us why these tools are sharp? Bhaiya, I had read that just like solid materials, even liquid materials exert pressure. Can we find out more about it?
Yes, absolutely. Come on, let's find out. We'll take this bottle and divide it into 5 parts. Now we will make one hole in one part like this. What are you doing, Sanya?
Look at this, Bhaiya. See how water from upper parts of the bottle is falling near the bottle. But as depth of the bottle increases, water falls out faster and farther too.
Do you know that water in the lowest part falls the farthest due to the maximum amount of pressure existing in that part? Water in the upper parts exerts pressure on it.
Oh, now I understand. Water exerts pressure on walls and base of the bottle, and the pressure increases as we go down. This is why, compared to upper parts, water from holes in lowest parts falls the farthest.
You are right. Water exerts pressure on the base and the walls of the vessel.
Bhaiya, I was once trying to push a ball down in a bucket full of water, but I felt an upward push. This means that water exerts an upward pressure also.
Sanya, do you think air also exerts pressure? Why is it that after blowing a balloon, we have to close its mouth?
When we blow a balloon, the air in it changes the shape of the balloon. Oh, I get it. Some objects change shape when force is applied to them. This is what happens when we exert force on a balloon or a ball made of rubber. Oh, my ball! Help me catch it, please. There is no force on this ball. Even then it slowed down and stopped in the end. How did that happen? Was there any force on it too?
Sanya, do you know there is a layer of air around our earth? The pressure exerted by this layer is called atmospheric pressure.
Oh, Bhaiya, can we know more about atmospheric pressure?
Sure, Sanya. Okay, tell me, have you ever noticed if a room has 2 windows or doors, how one window or door, which is slightly open, gets opened up further if the other window or door is shut with force?
Bhaiya, does this happen due to atmospheric pressure?
Yes, absolutely. Atmospheric pressure is much more than what we can imagine.
Then why don't we feel constrained and trapped under this pressure?
Sanya, you will find about this in your science textbook. You can read and know for yourself.
Okay, Bhaiya. Friends, will you help me? Can you refer the book and answer my questions?
We learned what is pressure. Pressure depends on the area on which force is applied. Besides solid matter, liquid and air also exerts pressure. About atmospheric pressure.